In today's video, I will walk you through how to check Wise account number. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along and let's get started. First, open your Wise app or log into your account on the website. On your main dashboard, you'll see your currency balances listed out, like USD, Euro, or GBP. Keep in mind, you can only get account details for currencies that you have actually activated and funded or opened. If you haven't opened a specific currency balance yet, tap Open or Add to set it up first. Once your currency balance is open, tap on it. Right near the bottom of that currency screen, you'll see a small bank icon. Tap that. Instantly, Wise will display all the numbers you need to give to an employer, client, or institution, your account number, your routing number, and the registered address for your account. To avoid typos, always use the copy button next to each field rather than trying to write them down manually. You can easily copy these details and paste them directly into an email, invoice, or payroll portal. If someone needs a formal document proving your account details, you can also tap Download PDF to get an official bank verification letter right to your device. And that's how simple it is to find your Wise account details. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.